Add a caption in Debut. Click the caption button below the recording preview. Type your caption into the text box. Select the position, size, and color. You will see the caption in the preview. Continue watching this tutorial for additional details on adding a caption. You can add a caption prior to recording or during recording, but it cannot be added after recording. To add caption after recording, try using VideoPad video editing software. The caption button is located below the preview window on the right. It has the letter A on it. Clicking on this button will open or close the caption settings window. You can also open the caption settings window by going to the Tools menu and selecting Text Caption. The justification buttons at the top of the settings allow you to set the vertical and horizontal alignment of the caption. Type your caption text in the text box. If you want to include a timestamp with your caption, select the box next to Include Timestamp. By checking Include Timestamp, the date and time will be added underneath the caption. You can also add date and time to the caption with your own formatting by typing in a combination of the following: %, 4Ys, and %, adds the current year to the caption. %, 2 M's, %, adds the current month. %, 2 D's, and %, adds the current day. %, 2 H's, and %, adds the current hour. %, M, I, N, and %, adds the current minute. %, 2 S's, and %, adds the current second. %, time, and %, adds the time since the start of the recording. %, time, NOMS, %, adds the same as %, time, %, except without the milliseconds. If you hover your mouse over the text box, a tooltip will appear showing this information. It is also available by opening the Help, then clicking on the Text Caption Settings link. The size slider allows you to quickly adjust the size of your caption text. You can refine the position of your caption by using the margin padding slider. This moves the caption closer to the center. For example, if you choose bottom left for the caption, as you move the slider, the caption will move up and right. Clicking the Font Properties button opens a typical font dialog. In the dialog, you can change the font style, size, color, and script, as well as add a strikeout or underline. Click OK to apply your changes. You can also change the text color by clicking on the text color box to open a color picker. Here, you can select a basic or custom color, or click on the Define Custom Colors button for more options. Clicking the Add to Custom Colors button will add your new color to the Custom Colors list for future easy selection. Click OK to apply the color change. Checking background color applies a colored background to your caption. You can change the background color by clicking its color box to open a color picker with the same function as for text color. Likewise, you can add a color outline to the caption text by checking Outline Color. You can change the text outline color by clicking its color box and then proceed in the same way as for text and background color selection. Clicking the Reset Defaults button will erase the caption and reset the settings to their original values. For more Debut tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.